Hello everyone, welcome to Great Online Training. This is Kavya, and in this video I am going to explain about the SAS Certified Specialist Based Programming question number 32. If you have any questions in this video or from the previous videos or about the SAS certification exam, you can ask in the comment box. And let me let's dive into the question number 32. As you know, the question number 32 provides the SAS code with the data statement and also with the proc statement. And in the data statement, it is the work dot new, as the new is the data set that was given and work is the library and the work library is the temporary library. Means it will only present during the SAS session. If we close the SAS session, automatically the work library will be lost. That the data that was created in the work library will be lost in the present session if we close the SAS session. And there are two variables are present, that is the year and the amount. Year is equals to 2011 and amount is equals to 5000. And as you can see here, there are two do loop statements. That is the loop statements are present. One is do I is equals to 1 to 5 and the other is do qtr is equals to 1 to 4. In do I is equals to 1 to 5, it is the outer loop, and year is equals to year plus 1 is present inside the do loop. Means do I is equals to 1 to 5. As you can see here, year is equals to year plus 1. So the I statement, that is the I is equals to 1 to 5, it will run 5 iterations. Year is equals to year plus 1. We have to add the year up to 5 times. That is, we have to add the year up to 5 iterations, because do I is equals to 1 to 5 is mentioned because it will run up to 5 times. And the second loop which is present inside, so it is called as the inner loop, and these loops are called as the nested loops. In the inner loop, do qtr is equals to 1 to 4. Qtr is nothing but the quarters. Like January to April is one quarter. Means within the 12 months, there are four quarters. That is, the 12 months are divided into four quarters, as Jan to April and June to some other month up to December. These are divided into the four quarters. In these, we have to run like QTR is equals to 1 to 4, means we have to run the iterations of 4 times. It will run 4 iterations, and amount is equals to amount into 1.1. The amount is equals to amount into 1.1 is we have to increase, that is we have to multiply the amount by 10% per each year within 4 quarters. And the two AND statements are present, which is used to end the loops, and the run statement, which is the end for the data step. And the proc print data is equals to work dot new, no OBS, and the run statement. As you know that the proc print, which is used to print the output in the output window, and no obvious option, which is not to print the observation number. That is, by default we will get the observation numbers in the output window. So not to get the observations in the output window, we are using the no obvious option and the run statement. And the question is, which output is correct in the below options? Let's see the options one by one. And here, the four options have the same variables, that is the year, amount, I, and the QTR. Let's come the options wise, that is the year first, amount, I, and QTR. Year, as you see that amount is equals to 5000 and year is equals to 2011. Do I is equals to 1 to 5 and year is equals to year plus 1. 1 to 5 is we have to run it by 5 times. Year is equals to year plus 1, means year plus 5. So the year is 2011 and up to 5 times means it is 2016. And the next one is amount. And amount is somewhat difficult to calculate for us without the SAS software. So as we see the options here, the four options, the amount is the same, as it is 33,637.50. It is same in the all the four options. So there is no need to calculate the amount variable, because the all options the amount is same, as there is no need to waste our time in that variable. If you want to calculate, you can go to the SAS software and you can go through it. And the next variable is I is equals to 1 to 5, means it runs 5 times. As do is equals to 1 to 5, it means the do variable is I is equals to 1 to 5. it ended like it ends after the fifth iteration. So the answer will be the 6. Do QTR is equals to 1 to 4. As the QTR is equals to 1 to 4, it will run up to 4 times. And at last, that is the fifth iteration, it will stop. For like this, the do variables, we have to end after the variable. Like here, I is equals to 1 to 5 means then I is equals to 6 as it ends at the sixth position. And do QTR is equals to 1 to 4. And after 4 it is 5 as it ends after the 4 is the fifth iteration, it will be ended. And so on, we can say that and year is equals to 2016, amount is equals to 33,637.50, and I is equals to 6 as it ends at the fifth position, so the 6 is the correct answer. And QTR is equals to 5 as it ends at the fourth one, like the fourth position. And as you can see, the correct option is, I think it will be the second option is the correct one. And I will show you this in also in the SAS software. Let's see, let me copy the path actually first of all. I will open the SAS software and I will paste the path that I have copied. And here you can see that. Let me run this. And as you can see here, year is equals to 2016, amount is equals to 33,637.50, I is equals to 6 and the QTR is equals to 5. And the answer we got also this one. But in the SAS certification exam, we will not have the option like copy paste. We have to write the code. So better to understand the concept and also to understand like to write that in within a second so that we will not waste much time in the examination. If you want more interesting questions like this, please subscribe to the Great Online Training channel and we will provide more questions that you will need and also will be helpful for the SAS certification exam purpose. And like the video, share the video and subscribe to the Great Online Training channel. And thank you. Thank you for watching.